Hello everyone, in this cluster policy rule I will explain how we can block latest stack at the same time for containers and init containers. So I have used for each key which I showed before, we must iterate each container for, each image defined on the container and each image defined on the init container to not use latest stack for any of the registry. Let me show one of them. I have applied cluster policy itself. It works right now. So cluster policy says we excluded. I've used here two rules. One of them for validate container, another for init container. I've excluded namespaces which I don't need to check for these namespaces for both of them. And here we can see I'm using for each key for list which comes from request object space containers to do regex match function if after symbol, this symbol will be finished latest string inside of element image. Actual element comes from container list. Element image we can see even from here. Just imagine containers block, we have repeated two lists. For each of them have name, image, ports. For element, it's actual container itself. For each of them have, if we will iterate, name, image, ports we can iterate. In case of image, if it will match this one, it means our condition will work and we don't let it to come to the Kubernetes cluster. The same thing for container image, we just iterate here init container. So if I will try to apply it, I'm in Nginx deployment right now, it will work. We can see we have two containers and two init containers. For each of them we used not latest image. So do that, it will work. If I will try to define for container latest, it will not work. If I will try to define, it doesn't matter for any of the index, it will work, but just for one of them together, for containers I will check it, but for init container only one line will be enough. If I will define latest inside of init container, we can see latest stack is not allowed, and even if I will check it here, it will be the same. But if we want to see the output of the rule for each of them, we can use inside of container latest 2. So we can see two rules shows us validating failure for containers, validating failure for init containers. So that's it actually. Thank you for watching.